Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2021 SPX. What a phenomenal boat this is. It's a really fast boat. It's designed very well. It's got the new blue color from Sea Ray and it's powered with the Mercury 150 horsepower, 4-stroke. It's a great motor as well. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 21 SPX. Let's start at the back of the boat. You get the Mercury 4-stroke, 150 horsepower, ton of horsepower for this boat. Right up on plane real fast and a good top end as well. You get the ski tow piling in the back for tubing and those kind of things conveniently located. You've got a nice little bench seat back here so you can sit out and hang up on the back of the boat. Also goes down into a sun pad, and this whole thing will lift up and it's gigantic storage underneath. You can keep beach chairs and noodles and fenders and lines and everything else. So huge storage underneath the sun pad right here. As we move into the boat, you got a nice L-shaped seating, so you can fit 4 adults very comfortable right in here. You've got opposing seating on this side, and now the seat does 2 things. You can sit facing this way, or you can sit facing the other way. So forward seating or reverse seating, depending on what you're doing. You've got a cooler conveniently out of the way there, and this also turns into a cooler. It could be storage for lines and that type of thing, but it also is self-draining, so you could ice that down. So we move to the helm. Got a nice comfortable captain seat, and then you've got the Simrad, so really nice clean dash, touchscreen Simrad, good size for a 21-foot boat, and then you get your Fusion remote control stereo, so really nice, neat, clean dashboard. You've got a glove box here. You can keep a lot of different dry things, cell phones and all those things in there. And then really nice your beach bags and your knapsacks and anything you don't want to get wet will stay nice and dry underneath. And lastly, we've got the bow area. So you've got 2 nice lounges, so very comfortable lounges, and you can put 3 to 4 adults up here, but pretty much 3 comfortably. You got grab bars, stereos. You got a full canvas for the bow area and the boat, so the entire boat has full canvas on it. Nice size bimini top as well, and it's just a great all-around little boat. So if you have any questions on it or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.